friends, it's Spring Courtright, and I am here to teach you how to make your sheets look pretty in your closet. So can you tell which one is the fitted and which one is the flat? The top one is the fitted, and you can see it's really not much bigger than the other one. So no more messes in your closet. Here's how to fold a fitted sheet. So I like to take it right out of the dryer. I don't like folding clothes. I like to take it right out of the dryer. It's all a big jumble, right? Pull it out, find a corner, okay? Stick your finger in that corner. Take your hand down along the edge, find another corner. Corner, corner, bring those corners together. My fingers are touching. I'm gonna flip one corner over the other. So now my finger is pointing. I'm shaking it out so that these edges line up. And now I'm gonna go along the edge, making them even, all the way down till I find another corner, okay? These corners now come together and these two edges are now together, okay? So I went along the edge, brought those corners together. Now stretch it out as much as you can. Flip the edge over as much as you can. And now bring those now 4 corners together. All your fingers, my hands are up inside here, and flip it over. Okay, so now it's all sitting on one finger, and from this side, you can see all those edges are lined up. Okay, and on the other side, all these edges are lined up. I'm gonna match those up. Okay, and now I like to lay it down. You can do it standing up. Let's give it a try. Okay, so I'm grabbing one corner, grabbing the other corner. Okay, and now you have a rectangle. Every time you make a rectangle for anything folding, it makes it easier. Okay, it's a rectangle. I'm gonna bring those and kind of shake it forward, bring those corners together, shake it out, tuck it under my chin, make it a nice rectangle. Okay, this is the spring body method. I just named that. Okay, fold it over. If you don't like wrinkles, give it a little rub love. Okay, shake out the wrinkles again, flatten it out. Again, lay it down, flatten it out. Pop your hand in the middle, flip it over, and there we go. There is our happy fitted sheet, okay? Hopefully you got that. If not, watch it again or send me an email, send me a message, and I would love to help. Okay, bye.